done the specific heat and latent heat, melting and boiling point, that done. After now write the modes of transfer of heat.
Sir, only melting point is done.
Only melting point.
Sir, yes.
Okay. Melting point done na? So now write boiling point. Boiling point. Now write boiling point is the temperature. Boiling point is the temperature at which the boiling point is the temperature at which the matter coexist. The matter coexist in its liquid and vapor state or phase. Boiling point is the temperature at which the matter coexists in its liquid and vapor phase. You can say the liquid is in thermal equilibrium. The liquid is in thermal equilibrium with its liquid and vapor phase. It is the characteristics of body of the object matter. It is the characteristics of the matter, but it is affected by the pressure. But it is affected by the pressure. Pablo, for example, you can write at the standard pressure. अब standard pressure means standard जो pressure होता है that is 1 atm, 1 atmospheric pressure that equal to 1.013 10 to the power 5 Pascal. At standard pressure, the boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. The boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. At 2 atm, 1 atm, the boiling point 100 degrees Celsius. At 2 atm, it is found 128 degrees Celsius. At 2 atm, 1 atm, it is found 100 degrees Celsius. At 2 atm, it is found 128 degrees Celsius. Yes. The boiling point is 100 degrees Celsius. At 2 atm, it is 128 degrees Celsius. Hence, we can say that with the increase of the atmospheric pressure, the boiling point increases. We can say with the increase of the atmospheric pressure, the boiling point increases. And vice versa also true. With the decrease of atmospheric pressure, the boiling point decreases. With the decrease of atmospheric pressure, the boiling point decreases. Yes, क्लास में अब लोग ऐसा बोलते हैं कि पहाड़ों पर दाल देर से गलती है, ऐसा क्यों कि पहाड़ों पर दाल देर से गलती है, ऐसा क्यों? तो फॉर दिस फर्स्ट वी शुड नो कि एज द हाइट इंक्रीजेस फ्रॉम द सी लेवल द एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर डिक्रीजेस। इच्छा में एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर ज्यादा होगा, नैनीताल में और कम होगा, ऊपर और सियाचिन वगैरह में एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर डिक्रीजेस। तो along with the height the atmospheric pressure decreases। तो मैंने आपसे कहा था कि for the earth there is a ocean of the gases around the earth, atmosphere, the blanket, and we are at the just bottom of that ocean। तो हम सबसे नीचे हैं। जब ऊपर जाते हैं तो जो आपका डेप्थ है h, we know pressure P equal to h rho g। as you move up height the depth in that ocean decreases, the depth in that ocean of gases decreases, the atmospheric pressure also decreases। okay, so with the height the atmospheric pressure decreases। sir ji, whenever any liquid boils and converted into the vapor, then there exists a vapor pressure, there exists a vapor pressure। with the increase of temperature that vapor pressure also increases। at a time that vapor pressure become equal to the atmospheric pressure, then after the increase of temperature get stopped, then after whenever the any liquid is in the phase of boiling, so at the time of boiling that liquid having vapor, that vapor also having the pressure, that called vapor pressure। as the temperature increases the vapor pressure also increases, and at a time that vapor pressure become equal to the atmospheric pressure, that time the boiling point takes place। boiling point is the point at which vapor pressure become equal to the atmospheric pressure। boiling point is the point or the temperature at which the atmospheric pressure become equal to the vapor pressure। then after no more increase in the temperature is possible, then after no more increase in the temperature is possible। ओके क्लास, तो अब क्या हुआ, पहाड़ों पर एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर कम होता है। तो जैसे मान लो इच्छा है तो टेम्परेचर बढ़ते 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 100 पहुंचा, तो 100 पर जाकर तो 100 डिग्री पर पहुंचकर जो टेम्परेचर का जो 100 डिग्री पर जो वेपर प्रेशर है वो एटमॉस्फेरिक के इक्वल हुआ, तो टेम्परेचर 100 तक पहुंच गया आपका। अब पहाड़ों पर उसे जाना था 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, वो जैसे ही 70, 75 पहुंचता है that time vapor pressure equalized by the atmospheric pressure। क्योंकि पहाड़ों पर एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर कम है तो वो जल्दी से मीट कर जाता है, तो 75 से आगे टेम्परेचर नहीं बढ़ेगी। तो एट द हिली एरिया द you can say the water boils at a less temperature, not 100 degree। water boils at a temperature of maximum 70, 75 और हाइट चले जाए हम लोग 60, 55 like this। so as the height increases the boiling point of water decreases। अब जैसे यहाँ पे जो दाल पक रही है 100 डिग्री पर, उसको गलने में लग रहे हैं 5 मिनट्स। ठीक है, वाटर स्ट्राइक करता है टू द पार्टिकल ऑफ दैट। अब पहाड़ पे मिल रहा है 70 डिग्री सेल्सियस, तो जो काम 100 डिग्री से 5 मिनट में हो रहा है तो वही काम 70 डिग्री से 15 और 20 मिनट में होगा। इसीलिए पहाड़ों पर दाल देर से गलती है। ओके, इट द डिक्रीज ऑफ एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर आल्सो क्रिएट्स ना डिफिकल्टीज इन द ब्रीथिंग, तो फिर आपको ऑक्सीजन सिलेंडर रखना पड़ता है। So such is the effect of the pressure on the boiling point. That's clear? So this you can write effect of pressure on the melting point and the boiling point. Baki, you know that the freezing point is the temperature at which the liquid turned into the solid. That called freezing point. For the water, the freezing point and the melting point both are 0 degrees Celsius. Water freezes at 0 degree, water melt also at 0 degree. Okay. So this topic are done, that the change of phase. One topic also there, you can note down the sublimation. That sublimation is the process in which the, you can say, solid directly converted into the gaseous vapor state without undergoing the liquid phase. For example, camphor, it directly turned into the solid to the vapor. This is known as sublimation. And reverse, you can say solidification, from gas to direct the solid. This is known as solidification. जो फ्रिज के ऊपर नहीं जो लगी होती आइस जो होती है आपकी सॉलिड CO2 जो होता है आपका, तो आइस में मेल्ट नहीं होता है, वो डायरेक्ट फ्रॉम लिक्विड फ्रॉम सॉलिड टू वेपर. So that is the sublimation. The class. So this the topic was the change of the phase of matter.